You have probably heard the phrase AI data analyst. Here is what that actually looks like, end to end. Step 1. Connect the data. The GA4 property is already wired up to this project. Step 2. Describe the question. I do not write any code. I describe a full GA4 traffic dashboard with sessions, top sources, top pages, and a weekly trend. Step 3. The agent goes to work. Anomaly reads the schema, picks the right chart for each metric, and assembles the dashboard. The build time is compressed. Step 4. Review. The headline metrics are at the top. The numbers a marketing team checks first. Trends over time, ready to read. Sources and channels, segmented and ranked. And the content side, which pages carry the most engagement? That is the workflow. Connect, describe, build, review. Try it free. Link in the description.